It's so sticky. I just love this thing. We're going to see if it bounces. It bounces. Let's try that again. Oh, I missed it again. Why did that not catch? Oh well, anyway, so yeah, we got a little Scootaloo. It even has her brand new cutie mark. Okay, to the next one. So I'm going to put Scootaloo off to the side and we're going to open the next Fashem. Okay, getting there. Can't get a good grip. Okay, got that. I'm really hoping I get Starlight Glimmer, because there's Scootaloo, Starlight Glimmer, Pinkie Pie, Rainbow Dash, Apple Bloom, and Scootaloo. Come on, Starlight. Please let this be my lucky day and I get Starlight. Who did I get? Who did I get? Oh, and I got Pinkie Pie. I mean, I'm not upset to have her. It's my first Pinkie Pie. Oh, they made her cutie mark only blue. It's usually blue and yellow. I mean, I'm not upset to get her, but I really wanted Starlight Glimmer. So yeah, I have Pinkie Pie and Scootaloo. Where's her cutie mark? Oh, there we go. So, time to open the Squinkie. Okay, so we got the Squinkie Dewdrops. I have to figure out how to open this. Yeah. Going to get somewhere. Okay, got it. Get a good grip. Oh, there we go. There we go. I like that it says Squinkie Dewdrops. I find that really cute. So, please get something. Okay, let's see the Squinkie Dewdrops I can get. Yeah, that's quite a few. So, I can get, oh wow, so many. That's a lot. Drop a dew on your favorite Squinkie collector's guide. So there's commons, rares, ultra rare, and play sets. So, one rare, common. There's tuna tibs, and then there's little Billy Beardsley, Squeaky Z. Okay, I'll just open it and then see who I get, and then whoever I get, I'll tell you who they are. Yeah, it all comes in one thing. I was expecting it to come in multiple things. Oh yeah, there are three things. One second. Okay, so I've gotten it open. Sort of. In a way. Yes, I've gotten it open. I'm going to separate the parts. Okay, got one of them. Who am I gonna get? Ah! Oh, it's a little hippo-like thing. It's so cute. And it's kind of squishy. Weird. I got Howdy Hugs. He's a common. Right? Or, I think it's a he. I'm just going to call it a he. Howdy Hubs right there. Next up, I'm going to open this part. Please don't be another of the same exact format. Oh, this is the hippo. This is the hippo. Who did I get? I got Henrietta Hippo. So this is little Henrietta Hippo. And she is also a common. Right on the side there. So yes, I got Henrietta Hippo. Time to open the last one. Apparently, the dew. Okay. Here it comes. I have no idea what a dew is. Well, we're about to find out. No. It's a little hair helmet thing. It looks funny on my little friend. What's it about? So I have Henrietta Hippo and Howdy Hooves. This looks funny on Howdy Hooves. I'm going to try it on Henrietta. That doesn't look so right either. Oh, there's a spot for the dudes. So I got the... Oh, my tongue is sticky. I kind of see why they're called dews, because I'm saying dude. So the dew I got is hipsta dew, and that is also a common. Wow, those ultra rares are so cute. There's little... So that's Unicow, number 1. Then number 2 is Dragon Pug. Oh, they're all little mixed. Then Pega Kitty, Lady Pig, Merteddy, and a sea elephant. So there's the Pega Kitty, the Lady Pig, the Merteddy, I mean, and then the sea elephant. But I get it because it's a unicorn cow mix for unicow, dragon and a pug for a dragon pug, Pegasus and kitty for Pega Kitty, ladybug and pig for lady pig, mermaid and teddy bear for Merteddy, and a sea elephant's like a sea something. Oh, a sea turtle. A sea turtle, but it's an elephant, so. So in this video, I got a little case for Pinkie Pie, a case for Scootaloo, and Pinkie Pie and Scootaloo too. Wow, they're so squishy and sticky. sounds so weird. And then in my Squinkie dewdrops, I got Henrietta Hippo and Howdy Ho. And for the dew, it was Hipsta. It was Hipsta Dew. That really wasn't worth it for. So yeah, I got Henrietta Hippo, Howdy Hooves, and Hipsta Dew. So I think that's a pretty good bundle. Because I got a little house for them, for the little Squinkie Dews as well. Where'd they go? I will figure this out someday soon in the future. Not today. Anyway, so I think I just take it, put it on a flat surface, then put them in there. Well, that about wraps up this video. So, happy Halloween, everyone. Hope you enjoyed yourselves. And hope you were safe. But don't forget to like and subscribe.